Hello friends, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing 50 multiple choice objective questions on computer awareness which are repeatedly asked in various competitive exams like SSC, IBPS and Railways. So let's get started. Question 1. Desktop and personal computers are also known as. Here are the options. The correct answer is microcomputers. Desktop and personal computers are also known as microcomputers. Question number 2. First supercomputer developed in India is. These are the options. Correct answer is Param. Third question. Most commonly used personal computers and laptops do not have a common command key known as. The correct answer is turnover. Which part of CPU coordinates all functions of a computer and other components? The correct answer is motherboard. The motherboard coordinates all functions of a computer and other components. Question 5. Which of the following is not associated with computers? The correct answer is eraser. Question 6. What kind of device is the keyboard? The answer is input. The keyboard is the input device. Next question. A series of instructions that tells the computer what to do and how to do it is called a. The answer is program. Next question. Which of the following is not a hardware of a computer? Here are the options. The correct answer is Windows. Windows is not a hardware of a computer. Rather, it is an operating system. Question 9. Most of the commonly available personal computers and laptops have a keyboard popularly known as. The answer is QWERTY. Question 10. The most frequently used instructions of a computer program are likely to be fetched from. The answer is cache memory. Question 11. A computer executes programs in the sequence of. The answer is fetch, decode, execute. Next question. Which of the following is a type of computer memory that can retain stored information even after power is removed? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is non-volatile storage. Moving on to next question. Dash key is a toggle key. It means it is used to turn a function on or off. The answer is caps lock. So caps lock is a toggle key. Question 14. Computers use the dash number system to store data and perform calculations. The correct answer is binary. Computers use the binary number system to store data and perform calculations. Next question. A nibble is equal to dash bits. The answer is 4 bits. A nibble is equal to 4 bits. 1 megabyte equals approximately dash bytes. The answer is 1 million bytes. 1 megabyte equals approximately 1 million bytes. Question 17. Universal Serial Bus, that is the USB, refers to. Here are the options. The correct answer is a port type. USB is a port type. Next question. Which is a unit to measure the resolution of a printer? The answer is DPI, that is dots per inch. Question 19. To make the number pad act as a directional arrow, we have to press. The answer is Shift. By pressing Shift, you can make the number pad act as a directional arrow. Question 20. An electronic path that sends signals from one part of a computer to another is called? The answer is bus. Question 21. An error is also known as? The answer is bug. An error is also known as bug. Next question. Computer language used on the internet is? The answer is Java. Question 23. A startup sequence that starts the operating system of a computer when it is turned on is called? The answer is booting. Next question. A pixel is? The answer is the smallest resolvable part of a picture. A pixel is the smallest resolvable part of a picture. Question 25. Which of the following is not a computer programming language? The answer is Microsoft. Microsoft is not a computer programming language. Other options that are Java, COBOL, C++, these are the computer programming language. Next question. What is correcting errors in a program called? Here are the options. The correct answer is debugging. Debugging is the process of correcting errors. Question 27. A program embedded in a semiconductor chip during their manufacture is called? The answer is firmware. Moving on to next question. Dash is the process of dividing a disk into tracks and sectors. The answer is formatting. Question 29. Both the ALU and control section have special purpose storage locations called? The answer is registers. Question 30. Which of the following is an example of binary number? The answer is 100101. This is an example of binary number. Question 31. Abbreviation ASCII stands for? The answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next question. In programming, repeating some statements is usually called? The answer is looping. Question 33. Grouping and processing all of firm's transactions at one time is called? The answer is batch processing. Question 34. Who among the following developed the Java programming language? Here are the options. The correct answer is James Gosling. Question 35. MS Word is an example of? The answer is application software. Question 36. Restarting a computer which is already on is referred to as? The answer is warm booting. Question 37. Illegal copying, distribution or use of software is referred to as? The answer is software piracy. Question 38. If a new device such as a printer is attached to a computer, its dash has to be installed before the device can be used. The answer is driver. The driver of the device has to be installed before it can be used. Question 39. Several computers linked to a server to share information and storage space is referred to as? The answer is network. Question 40. Who is the inventor of World Wide Web, that is the WWW? Correct answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Question 41. Spam email is also referred to as? The correct answer is junk email. Question 42. Which of the following is an example of a web browser? Here are the options. The correct answer is all of the above. Chrome, Firefox, Opera, all of these are examples of web browser. Question 43. Which is the most important or powerful computer in a typical network? The correct answer is network server. Question 44. Connection or link to other document or web pages that contain related information is called? The answer is hyperlink. Question 45. A website's main page is called its? The answer is home page. Question 46. Which of the following cannot be a part of an email address? Here are the options. The correct answer is space. The other options like underscore, @sign, full stop, these can be a part of an email address, whereas space cannot be a part of the email address. Question 47. File dash reduces the size of the file so that it requires less storage space. The answer is compression. The file compression reduces its size. Question 48. In Microsoft Office, which of the following can be used to select the entire document? The answer is Ctrl A. By pressing Ctrl plus A, you can select the entire document. Question 49. In Excel, the letter and number of intersecting row and column is referred to as? The answer is cell address. Question 50. The fraudulent practice of sending emails purporting to be from reputable companies in order to induce individuals to reveal personal information such as passwords and credit card numbers is referred to as? The answer is phishing. That's it, friends. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.